Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can change the line spacing for documents on Google Docs. So let's get right into it. So guys, as you can see, we're on Google Docs and I've been working on an example document or text like that. So as you can see, we got a spacing or line spacing like that. Now, if you'd like to change the spacing or increase the space between these lines, simply follow my instructions. In the first step, simply mark the text you would like to change the spacing for with your left mouse, just like this. And what you want to do after that, guys, is take a look at that menu here at the top and look for an icon that looks like that with an arrow up and arrow down icon called line and paragraph spacing. So click on it. And here from the drop-down menu, simply choose your preferred spacing like single, 1.15, 1.5, double, custom, or choose a custom spacing here below. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to apply, let's say, a double spacing. So click on it. And there you go. As you can see, the line spacing has been changed like this. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.